Hey guys, this is Anne. I'm making a mango banana smoothie. Those are 2 mangoes and half a cup of water, blending it up. Blend, 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 blend. Yep. That's it. Okay, for a few minutes until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take two bananas. For there, I said mangoes. 2 mangoes, then now 2 bananas, 2 medium-sized bananas. You put into the blender, and then you blend it up. Blend, 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 blend. I'll stop the machine, remove it, put it in a cup. Then I realized a nice big chunk of banana didn't blend, so I put it back in so that it can blend it nicely. Yes, I licked the glass because it was going to pour. And it blended nicely. It tasted awesome.
Delicious. Like this. If you like, you have any comments, down below. Subscribe if you want more recipe.
Thank you for watching. Bye.